Dynamic Reports allows you to slice and dice your data however you want to discover important insights. You can find this tool in the Data and BI tab of your Hub from the Data Explorer. Today we're going to look at creating reports on app usage. Your app is a really important channel for engaging your members. So as a business, you'd want more people to download the app and obviously register as members, and also to increase overall app engagement. It's important to note that by default, these app measures represent all app users, including the ones that downloaded the app but never registered to the program. So let's start by ensuring the report type here is app activity. We're going to look at some trends over time. So we'll choose year, app installs, and app opens. App installs basically represent the number of new app users, while number of app opens is how many times the app was opened. We can see here there was a nice increase in both number of app installs and number of app opens between 2016 to 2017. From these numbers alone, we can't tell if it was opened more because more people downloaded it or because overall app engagement went up. To see if on average users are using the app more, we can add average app opens per user. And here we see that it increased from 8 until 10, so in fact people are really engaging more with your app. We can also add number of users that open the app to see how many distinct users opened it, and we can break it down further by month. Another interesting thing we can check is on which day the app is used the most. So let's just start by clearing the columns here. And we'll add weekday and number of users that open the app. Once we sort the column here, we see that on Saturday is the day that people tend to use the app the most. So if you want to plan a campaign within the app, Saturday will be the best day to start it. We can also create a report to understand the most effective way to reach out to these users. The attributes here basically tell us which communication channels they allow. In this case, we see that only about 10% of app users actually allow push, so it makes sense to reach out to them by SMS or email. However, to encourage app users that aren't yet members to join the program, you'll need to reach out to them via push since you don't have their phone number or email address. We can also discover the demographics of our app users. Okay, we can look, for example, at age group. And we can see how many members belong to each age group. And if we wanted, we can even look at gender. Make sense?